In a tech world that's changing faster than ChatGPT can plan your next vacation, your team's skills need to be rock solid. An on-the-job situation isn't the same as a course, no matter how many of them your learners take.
So what can I do?
3 words. Learn by doing.
Do what?
Practice skills using Pluralsight. It's your team's one-stop shop for hands-on tech skill development. For starters, your people can choose from over 3,000 hands-on labs. We've got it all from AWS to Z Shell.
Labs for experimenting?
Yep, for safe and secure practice. And they can keep learning by doing with sandboxes, digital environments for trying out new software development, cloud, and AI skills just like they're on the job. What could be better than a safe space to mess up before it matters? And while your people tinker and test out creative solutions, you don't rack up costs.
Keep talking.
Cloud transformation's a big initiative these days, and we can help you build cloud-ready talent with personalized hands-on learning at scale.
What about AI?
Come on, you didn't think I forgot, did you? We have sandboxes to practice and experiment with pre-configured AI cloud services, generative AI notebooks, and a variety of LLMs. So your people can create with AI and learn to integrate it into business processes. Time for a more hands-on approach. Start learning by doing with Pluralsight.